All right, we're doing a box of 1718 Essentials Blasters for Renee. Good luck. Let me double check something real quick. Oh, these do look nice. What are these? Kyle Kuzma, rookie. Essential Rookies. Essential Legends, Dr. J. Caleb Swanigan, Squirrel. And then, oh, okay, so the base are thin. Okay, got it. You want everything, Renee? We got Malik Monk, Kevin Love, and base. Not tomorrow. I will not be live. I'll probably be live on like Thursday or maybe Monday, or I mean Wednesday. We got Bogdanovich, rookie. Okay. Chris Webber, Rajon Rondo, Dwayne Bacon, rookie. Best thing to probably do, Aaron, is like my Facebook page, Courtside Collectibles, and you'll get updates on when I go live and what products I'm throwing in the store. Dwayne Bacon, Steph Curry, and Kuzma, rookie. These look pretty good too. We got T-Ferg, Jerry West, and Chris Dunn. Harry Giles, rookie. We got Jonathan Isaac, Victor Oladipo, and Jonathan Isaac. And last one is TJ Leaf, Penny Hardaway, Essential Legends, Jamal Murray, Owandu, rookie. All right, that is it, Renee. Thank you, sir. Peace.